Glucocyn blood sugar support is a dietary supplement that claims to help manage blood sugar levels and improve overall metabolic health. But after trying it for a while, the results were somewhat mixed. On one hand, some of the ingredients in Glucocyn are known for their potential benefits in regulating blood sugar, supporting weight loss, and reducing insulin resistance, which seemed promising at first. Over time, there were slight improvements in energy levels, and blood sugar readings appeared more stable, but not dramatically different from before. While there was no major drop in blood pressure or cholesterol, there were some subtle changes that might be attributed to other lifestyle factors rather than the supplement itself. One concern was that the effects weren't consistent, and at times it felt like it wasn't making much of a difference at all. Additionally, it's not exactly the cheapest option out there, and for the price, the results weren't as impressive as expected. It's also worth noting that individual experiences may vary, and while some may find it beneficial, others might not see significant changes. Overall, it didn't seem like a miracle solution, but it wasn't a complete waste either. It's just one of those supplements that might work better for some people than others.